All right, we have some news just coming in from the national capital. Remember, students were protesting. IAS aspirants are now getting detained. The police have detained students on the hunger strike since yesterday. They're protesting against the killer apathy. They've been on a strike since Saturday. They've been protesting, but the hunger strike started at 3 p.m. last afternoon. They are now getting detained is what we know. Shreya Chatterjee, in fact, is on the ground getting asked more details. I'll go across to Shreya in just a moment from now. But previously, the cops were seen pleading with the students, asking them to get up from the Bada Bazaar road, essentially, where they are squatting. Shreya is getting in more details on that. Shreya, the students here are now, I understand, getting detained even as that road has been opened up for traffic.
Well, absolutely, Sneha, most of the students who are here, they have been detained right now. You can see barely 10 to 12 students now are sitting. They are waiting for their delegation who has gone to meet the MCD commissioner to come back. Only then they suggest they will be returning. But meanwhile, Delhi police hasn't waited to open the traffic on the road. You can see the barricades on Bada Bazaar road have been opened and traffic movement has already begun on this particular stretch. The paramilitary and the Delhi police on the ground are now attempting to move the few students who are still continuing to sit over here. They have only made a request to the Delhi police saying that let our student delegation return. Once they come back meeting the MCD commissioner, once we get a concluding understanding of what happened, we will also move from the protest site. So this is what is transpiring right now outside the Rouse Coaching Institute, which has been the crux of the entire incident. But students, most of them have now been moved away by the Delhi police. Only a handful remaining for the delegation to return after meeting the MCD commissioner, post which, in all likelihood, if they get a clarity, they suggest they will also end the protest.
Yes, they'll end the protest. What are the assurances that have been given by the MCD here? There is a collective authority. The mayor has also said we're going to be meeting with the students. They did say that 5 crore in compensation for each of the victims, all 4 of them. Isn't it, Shreya?
Well, yes, their demands suggest that there should be adequate compensation. There should be clarity and also regulation on the coaching institutes, the libraries, the PGs that are running, so that they do not charge exorbitant amount or raise the amounts as and when as per their whims and fancies. Remember, the MHA now has also ordered a committee-based report, and that's precisely why the LG had called for a meeting yesterday in the Home Ministry, where we do understand a few students were also a part of the delegation. Apart from that, the institute owners of certain IAS institutes were also there. We can see that it seems like, Sneha, these students will also be now removed. The Delhi police has got the bus over here to formally detain the protesters who are now sitting. These few protesters, they had requested for them to be allowed to continue their protest till the students come back after meeting the MCD commissioner. But doesn't look like the Delhi police has, they want to wait because the bus has already come. In all likelihood, they will also be detained. Let's just get a few voices between that. आप लोग चाहते हो कि तब तक आप लोग नहीं हटोगे जब तक कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं आई आप लोगों की जो 9 पॉइंट डिमांड है?
जब तक एक क्लियरिटी नहीं दी जाएगी, जब तक क्लियर मैसेज नहीं दिया जाएगा किसके बारे में, एक जो हमारे साथी मरे हैं और जो दोषी है उनको उचित सजा, हमारे साथियों को उनके परिवारों की सामाजिक आर्थिक सोशल इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन देखते हुए उनको एक कंपेंसेशन दिया जाए। और इसके बाद में हमारी एक चीज सिस्टमेटिक रिफॉर्म की बात है, जो डेली बेसिस पे आज एक्सप्लॉइटेशन है, चाहे रेंटल सिस्टम को लेकर हो, चाहे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो कोचिंग माफिया है, चाहे वो किराए।
एक बात बताइए, ज्यादातर जो प्रदर्शनकारी थे उनको दिल्ली पुलिस ने डिटेन किया, कुछ नहीं आए, महज आप कुछ लोग हो। आपको लगता है कि जब एक बस यहाँ पे बुलाया गया आप लोग को डिटेन किया जाएगा, कैसे प्रदर्शन चालू रखेंगे?
जी, हम चालू रखेंगे। कितनी बार हमें डिटेन करेंगे, हम फिर से आकर यहीं पे बैठेंगे। और हमारी कोशिश रहेगी, हमारे कुछ साथियों को पुलिस ने फोर्सफुली यहाँ से उठा के लेके गए हैं। जब तक हमारे कुछ साथी जिन्हें जबरदस्ती कह के ये ले जाया गया है, डेलीगेशन बन के गए हैं, MCD ऑफिस गए हैं, जब तक एक कंक्रीट सॉल्यूशन इसका नहीं आता है तब तक हम नहीं हटेंगे। हमारे साथी नहीं आ जाते तब तक आप यहाँ पर डटे रहें।
Students are very adamant. They do not want to end the protest. They say if you detain us, we'll come back again. You cannot stop us like this. For how many times will you detain us? As we talk, you can see the bus is already on the standby. So anytime expected expect the movement to begin from Delhi Police's side to remove the few students who are also sitting over here on protest in the Bara Bazaar stretch.